Hey everyone, I'm Waggle Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel on a Saturday. Yes, I never upload on Saturdays, but guess what arrived? And this is a top priority because we all know how many people watch these unboxing videos, and I want the views and likes. In case you aren't aware of what I'm unboxing, this year is the Beautylish Lucky Bag 2025. I got the XL, which retails for, ouch, $150, and you do have to pay $20 shipping and handling on top of that. And then tax, she's a bougie, pricey mystery box. All right, so that is what the paper looks like this year. I'm sure there are 1,800 other people doing their unboxings where they will read to you what the card says. I don't have time for that. So let's get rid of the packing paper, and then inside there is some bubble wrap. I must say this box seems a little smaller than last year's, but maybe I'm wrong. The box was also very light, so maybe that means I have more makeup than skincare, because skincare and hair care are very, very heavy. All right, I'm not gonna look. Let's grab the first item. Ooh, I see something from Charlotte Tilbury. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I know not everyone does. What are you? Oh, okay. I've only seen a few unboxings, and what I've seen thus far was no. But this product I haven't seen yet. So this is the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. And what shade are you in? Of course, Pinkgasm. And how much you want to bet I already own this? In editing, something will float on screen to see if I own it or not. All right, next item. Ooh, I don't know that I've seen this one yet. I've seen someone unbox the 35 pan palette. So this here is the VISEART Paris 25th anniversary, I don't know, 12 shade professional makeup palette. Let's take a look and see if these are going to be shades I will use. All right, so when it comes to VISEART, there's magnetic plus the little pull, and then they have this lovely piece of paper. Ooh, yes. Okay, so are those all mattes and kind of boring neutrals? Why, yes. But am I a boring neutral kind of gal? Oh, I do like a shimmer though. So, all right, off to a good start. Next item. Oh, okay. So this is from Peter Thomas Roth, and I held it upside down. What is this? The Firm Peeling Gel. My first little is I've never seen anyone unbox or receive a product from this brand before. All right, so this is what she looks like. Do I know what she does? No. So let me just grab my little friend here and see if I can figure it out. Peeling gel visibly rolls, lifts and sweeps away impurities when massaged onto skin. It has pineapple and pomegranate enzymes. So it sounds like it's an exfoliator. Let's see if it's Lazy Girl approved. Apply to clean dry skin, gently massage in circular motions. Rinse well with water, and you only have to leave it on 1 to 5 minutes. All right, so that seems like something I could use when I'm in the shower. All right, next item. Yes. Okay, so I say yes. Probably I'm not going to like this product because it's hair care. But I haven't received yet anything that I've seen other people receive. So, all right, so this is the R+CO Lost Treasure Apple Cider Vinegar Conditioner. Okay, it was a regular conditioner that I'm down with. If you're new, welcome. I have very short hair that I get cut every 6 to 8 weeks. Therefore, any fancy hair care product is just wasted on me because I don't have damaged hair. I don't use tools. Yeah, I'm a simple girl. But I can handle a shampoo and or a conditioner, and yay, I didn't get the dandruff shampoo. All right, what else came in this box? Ooh, something very, very tiny. What is this? It's a lid lacquer. Ooh, from SURRATT. Okay, so this is one of those brands that I've heard of, but have never tried before because I believe it's very, very bougie. Yes, okay. So the lid lifts up, no hinge, and then, I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. This is paper, and there's like a sticker or a seal, and I don't want to break the seal, but I guess I'm going to have to look at this product. How bougie fancy is that? All right, let's try to maintain the integrity and use scissors. Oh, perfect. The little sticker even stayed on so I can re-close it. All right, what is this bougie little single eyeshadow gonna look like? Please be a color I'm gonna use. Oh, okay. Now it's coming back to me. I do recall seeing someone unbox this, and honestly, it looks like a contour bronzer. Is it creamy? Oh yeah, she's creamy, and she is definitely. Can you use this on your face? That is a perfect neutral contour bronzer shade for me. Oh, and it's cute. It has a little mirror and it opens all the way up. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some research on this product. And it's makeup, so if it can go on your eyes, I'm certain it can go on your face. All right. Oh, okay. Yay, 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 yay. I'm not excited for getting hair clips. However, I'm glad it's not a claw, because a hair clip I could actually use when I pull up my hair and do a get ready with me. So of all the hair care tools, this is the one I was like, oh, if I'm going to get a stupid hair accessory, please let it be the clips. I feel like this is a lucky bag. All right, you all are like, what is she talking about? Next product, what is this? All right, again, upside down. This is the obligatory Good Molecules product. Beautylish, I believe, is the owner of this brand. It's very affordable. So what do I have? Ooh, a hyaluronic acid serum. All right, my 58-year-old skin, which is super dry, will always use and appreciate a serum. All right, anything else? Where's my SONIA G brush? Here it is. Ooh. All right, I've just seen everyone so far has gotten a SONIA G brush. And is this one of those mini ones? Okay, so this is, let's see here, the Designer Pro. Okay, so this shape, to me, I would use something like that for highlighter. I'm sure you could use it for anything. Maybe blush, but it's a little more narrow. I'm excited. All right, anything else? Where's my big eyeshadow palette? Don't let it just be that, yeah. Oh no, there's one more thing. Oh, I have seen people get this, and this is kind of a wah. This here is from Mob or M-O-B. Oh, wait, no, this is a cream lipstick. Other people were getting like a lip balm. Okay, I bet this is going to be in a shade I won't use, but let's see. Oh, maybe. All right, so it's a little darker than what I typically wear, and you all are like, that's not dark. For me, it is slightly, but let's... No, okay. That is actually something I could probably get away with wearing. All right, well, let's recap everything I got in the 2025 Beautylish Extra Large Lucky Bag. I got the Lost Treasure Apple Cider Vinegar Conditioner from R+CO, a cream lipstick from Mob Beauty, a lid lacquer from SURRATT, a 3-piece claw clip set from KTSCH, the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury, a hyaluronic acid serum from Good Molecules, the Firm Peeling Gel from Peter Thomas Roth, the Designer Pro brush from SONIA G, and the 12 shade 25th anniversary eyeshadow palette from VISEART. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I'm not disappointed, but I'm not super ecstatic or thrilled. I was hoping or expecting like a larger palette from Natasha Denona or maybe Danessa Myricks. But now I want to hear from you. What did you get in your box? What did you think of my box? And have you seen anyone yet get an extra lucky bag? You know, the ones that come with the full set of SONIA G brushes. Oh, one of these days. Oh, I would love to get that. All right, for those who are curious, I'm going to list the total MSRP value of my box. I won't know this until I'm in editing, but hopefully it's at least $300. I saw somebody unbox an XL bag, and their value was only $268. Not that it truly matters the dollar amount. It's more like, did you enjoy your products and will you use them? However, I believe they claim that the minimum value should be at least $300. I'm fairly certain I got there, but you never know. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.